In this video, we will learn how to use shortcut key to fill blank cell in Excel sheet. So let's start. This is my Excel sheet. I have here some data with the column A, product ID and profit. In column A, I have mentioned the dealer 1, dealer 2, dealer 3 and dealer 4. So I want to just copy paste this data in below cell. So here this data for the of dealer 1, so I want to copy the dealer 1 and paste it below cell. Again I copy the dealer 2 and paste below cell. So this is a way you can fill this blank cell. Here I am showing you the shortcut way how to fill this cell. So first select the full data. I just select the Ctrl A, but due to the blank cell, the data is not selected. So you can use the Shift Ctrl N button of cell. And here I want to select the only first column. So again I use Shift Ctrl and left arrow to deselect the B and C column. Now I am using the Ctrl G and click on the spatial and click on the blank and click on OK. Now I am using the is equal to and select the first cell. Don't press enter key here. Use the Ctrl plus enter. That's it. Here you see all blank cell is filled with the dealer number. So hope you understand. If you like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.